review of this Amazon cart. It's a mini cart. I'm using it as my little corner cart. It comes on wheels, but I took the wheels off because I needed a place for all my little trinkets and all my candles, my incense, and things I use around the house. So I took the wheels off and I placed it up here so I can have all my little trinkets in here. This little cart comes in handy. You know, carts with wheels, they don't mean to have to stay on the floor. I just put mine right here up on the shelf, and I like it this way. I keep things up against it. This is my little corner of the house. All my little this and that, so I don't have to run upstairs and go get anything. My incense, my lights, my oils are all here. My little corner right here. And I am enjoying this product for that. It keeps me organized. And it looks nice in the dining room. It won't look so cluttered, you know, and so ugly with all the little this and that. It hides it nicely too. With this high wall right here, I got other stuff stuck in the bottom, you know, stuff I just tossed in here, so it's working for me. So I am really enjoying this product from Amazon. Thank you. Thank you for watching.